The next big things are chatbots. What is a chatbot? A virtual assistant that helps you find information, remember things, and buy things. Think Apple's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, Microsoft's Cortana, Google's Assistant. They are based on machine learning. They rely on artificial intelligence to learn and understand what you want. Messaging apps that enable businesses and brands to provide 24/7 online customer support, e.g. instant reply, quick reply, complaint resolution. Think Facebook Messenger, Kik, WeChat, Slack. These types of chatbots can interact with users only by following pre-programmed rules. What you've seen and experienced so far is just the beginning of what is predicted to be a billion-dollar industry within a decade. Many top brands have already adopted chatbots, including Uber, Sephora, and CNN have already adopted chatbots. Welcome to another episode of ZAD Facts. Here are 11 amazing facts you might not know about chatbots. Please stay with us. Number 11. Messaging apps are used by 1.4 billion people. According to BEI Intelligence, the top 4 messaging apps are larger than the top 4 social networks. According to eMarketer, more than 1.4 billion people will use messaging apps by 2022. By 2022, mobile messaging apps will be used by more than 45% of the world's population, more than 3.6 billion monthly active users. Number 10. People are prepared to interact with chatbots. According to a Mindshare report, Humanity in the Machine, 63% of people would consider messaging an online chatbot to communicate with a business or brand, whether on Messenger or SMS messaging. According to a survey conducted by My Clever Agency, they would use chatbots to get quick emergency answers. Number 9. Customers want to chat with retailers. According to 24/7, 29% of people prefer to contact retailers via online chat and messaging apps when making a purchase decision. That is, people are equally likely to call a retailer or use a chatbot, and they are more likely to use a chatbot than to email a retailer, 27%. Number 8. Over 30,000 Facebook chatbots exist. Facebook had 30,000 chatbots as of September. Millions of people in 200 countries have used these chatbots. Number 7. The majority of chatbot conversations begin with "Hi." According to Dashbot.io, a bot analytics provider, the 2 most common ways to start a conversation with a chatbot are "Hello" and "Hi." A question mark, "Hey," "Help," "Yes," and the thumbs up icon were also popular messages. Number 6. Consumers are ready to purchase items through chatbots. According to Digitas Buy, 37% of Americans are willing to make a purchase through a chatbot. Consumers would spend more than $55 per purchase on average. According to My Clever Agency, if a chatbot were available, 33% of UK residents would purchase basic items such as clothing and food. Number 5. Consumers will not put up with bad chatbots. A single negative chatbot experience could be costly. According to the Digitas LD report, 73% of Americans said they would not use a company's chatbot again if they had a bad experience. According to the Mindshare report, 61% of people would be more frustrated if a chatbot couldn't solve a problem than a human. Number 4. Consumers want chatbot recommendations. According to Digitas Buy, 37% of all consumers and 48% of millennials are open to receiving recommendations or advice from chatbots. Consumers are interested in recommendations for products from retail stores, 22%, hotels and accommodations, 20%, travel, 18%, pharmacy products, 12%, and fashion and style, 9%. Number 3. Don't blur lines between bots and humans. An overwhelming majority of consumers, 75%, said they want to know whether they are chatting with a chatbot or a human. 48% considered chatbots pretending to be human creepy, according to Mindshare. The robotic and artificial nature of responses clued in 60% consumers that they were interacting with a chatbot, according to Digitas LBI. Number 2. By 2029, chatbots will be indistinguishable from humans. Ray Kurzweil, a Google inventor, futurist, and engineer with a knack for making accurate predictions, predicts that chatbots will have human-level language ability by 2029. If you can have a meaningful conversation with a human today, you'll be able to have a meaningful conversation with an AI in 2029. But you'll be able to have interesting conversations before that, Kurzweil told The Verge. Number 1. Chinese people adore chatbots. According to Engadget, Xiaois is a ridiculously popular chatbot in China. The average number of conversations per session is 23 CPS. The average CPS for almost every other chatbot is 1.5 to 2.5. Chatbots will become extremely popular in the United States very soon. Are you prepared for the incredible chatbot revolution? Let us know in comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Thank you for watching.